Hello, this is Ginny Brant with Unleash Your God-Given Healing. I'd like to look today at 11 ways to reduce our aluminum exposure. We learned last time in a previous video that aluminum is all around us. We are all exposed to it. Thankfully, our body has 5 God-given filtering systems: the lungs, the liver, the kidneys, the colon, and our skin, which all help to lower our toxic load. But because aluminum is in so many of the products we use on an everyday basis, the accumulation in our bodies may be too much for some people, as it was for me. This video can be referenced in the show notes below. So let's look at 11 ways we can reduce our aluminum exposure. Number 1, cook with stainless steel cookware and baking sheets, and also use glass and Pyrex baking dishes. Now, look at this. This is a baking sheet without any aluminum. Now, when I bake potatoes and other vegetables, I use what we call Corningware dishes with glass tops. And you can find these at garage sales for next to nothing. Number 3, store your foods in glass containers with silicone. Here we go. I use these for all my freezer food and refrigerator storage. Number 4, use parchment paper when baking and storing. Number 5, use antiperspirants without aluminum chlorohydrate. Number 6, use aluminum-free baking powder in your cooking, and here it is right from the grocery store, aluminum-free. Number 7, filter your drinking water, which will help with so many other chemicals too. Number 8, you can invest in stainless steel grilling basket for your grill. Yes, they make such things. Number 9, absolutely do not cook in aluminum foil unless you're on an occasional camping trip. Occasionally won't hurt as much. Number 10, avoid cosmetics that contain aluminum. Simply learn to read the labels. And number 11, avoid getting too many vaccines in one day that contain aluminum, because this girl got way too many before I went on a mission trip and my body paid the price. If you were diagnosed with breast cancer and used antiperspirants on a regular basis, these aluminum-containing products only added to your overall toxic load, because research does not show that antiperspirants alone cause breast cancer. But realize that your underarms were designed to sweat, and aluminum chlorohydrate prevents this from happening. There are other natural products you can use. Find what works for you, without losing friends, I might add. In this case, don't do as the Europeans do, which means they use nothing. Use something with safe ingredients. My favorite deodorant to use is a mineral stone. I can buy one of these a year and it lasts me the entire year. And here's the key, it works for me. I also use a deodorant stick by doTERRA and a roll-on by Alvera. You can even make your own. Look at this easy and simple recipe. Use 6 tablespoons of coconut oil, 4 tablespoons of baking soda, 4 tablespoons of arrowroot or organic cornstarch, and add essential oils if desired. Mix together and store in a glass jar. Find out if this works for you. I hope these tips for reducing aluminum have helped you to see that it can be done. It's not the occasional use that's the problem. It's when we're using more than our body can handle and excrete. I hope you will like this video, share it with others, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and click the notification bell so you will know when I post new information. Until then, here's to your health, and God bless you in your health journey.